What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the SAT Show. In this video, I'm going to be covering some Nanodimensions news that you probably do not want to miss, and also give you an update on what Ark Invest is doing in Nanodimensions. There has been a lot of concerns over the last couple of days that Ark Invest has been selling shares of Nanodimensions, and I'm just here to clear that up. So a lot of people were concerned that Cathie Woods at Ark Invest actually ended up selling around $3.6 million worth of shares of Nanodimensions on February 1st. And guys, Ark Invest usually sells shares when a stock goes above a certain number of percentage in their portfolio. They even do this with Tesla, and their number one holdings is Tesla. If it goes above 10%, they start to sell shares, and they eventually end up buying back in. And when they sell shares, they just buy other shares of companies that are within the fund. So as you can see, on February 2nd, ARQ actually added around 4 million. So this is about like $800,000 more than what they originally had. So they actually ended up adding a lot, I guess. And in ARKW, they actually ended up buying on February 1st and February 2nd. As you can see, they bought about $1 million worth of shares here and another 1.4 on February 2nd. For any of you guys who are into cryptocurrencies and you're looking to buy cryptocurrencies in Canada, go ahead and use my link in the description for Shakepay. This is an awesome service for buying Bitcoins. And we actually both get $30 if you buy $100 worth of cryptocurrencies. And obviously, who doesn't like free money, right? So go ahead and use that link. Guys, I'm so sorry that I'm late on this news. I had a lot of assignments due and I had to focus on that. But yeah, I'll just throw this in this video anyways. On February 2nd, Nanodimensions actually engaged Carl Square for European acquisition. And Carl Square is basically an M&A strategy company. That means merger and acquisition, and they are going to help Nanodimensions in choosing companies to acquire in Europe. And if you guys don't remember, a couple months back, they actually consulted with Nndm, and they're still consulting with Nndm for American acquisition. So not only is Nanodimensions looking to enter the American markets, they're also looking to enter the European markets, which is obviously a really good thing. That means that the capital that they raised over the many share dilutions that they had over the past is actually going to good work. And I really believe in that Nanodimensions is going to make really good decisions with this. This is the news you've been waiting for. Nanodimensions has a huge upcoming event called AME Academy at the end of the month, and it's actually scheduled for February 23rd, 2021. I'm going to go ahead and read this to you guys so you understand what the presentation is going to be about. So the AME Academy is the first ever seminar on additive manufacturing. So take that in, this is the first ever this is happening, so this is probably going to be a huge catalyst. On additive manufacturing of electronics with leading industry experts. And what they mean by this is that they're going to have companies that are already using Nanodimensions technology to come and help them. As you can see, there's companies like ID Tech X, Novacentrics, Electronics, sorry if I butchered that, Nscript, and obviously this is going to be like a customer testimonial, I guess. But yeah, the online event will cover the future of additive manufacturing, software, hardware, and automation for electronic devices. Attendees will hear firsthand about revolutionary applications and advancements of technology from R&D to commercial applications by leading research institutes and companies developing and using AME technology for fabricating electronic devices. Being on the verge of the new era of 3D printing electronics, this event will provide a comprehensive insight into the possibilities of AME technology. So as I said before, the customers of Nanodimensions is basically going to come and showcase what they were able to do with Nanodimensions technology, and this is going to open the eyes for a lot of other companies, and I feel like this is going to help people understand the importance of Nanodimensions technologies, and like obviously that's going to be really good because then more companies are going to buy Nanodimensions devices, further propelling Nanodimensions. And guys, I really do think that Nanodimensions is going to be a $1 trillion industry in the future. Okay, don't mark my words, it might not be $1 trillion, but yeah, I think there's a lot of growth into this company, and I'd say you should probably consider buying some shares if you don't already hold Nanodimensions before this date. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe as it will help grow my channel. And I also have a QUESTRADE link in the bottom, and if you are a Canadian investor who's looking to find a new broker, go ahead and use my Q passcode. We both get a free $25 when you do a $1,000 minimum deposit.